The message was there.
Hello. Yes.
Tariku.
Yes.
Yesterday
Could you say something about Sadhguru Rampal Ji Maharaj?
सबसे पहले सत साहेब, we all from Nepal, and actually we are very proud of having this path to meet the Sadguru Tattvadarshi Rampal Ji Maharaj as a incarnation of Lord Kabir. That's why people, millions of people they are believing, and the number of people they are increasing day by day, hours by hours, moment by moment, and month by month, and it will be increasing in geometrical progression again. I hope so.
Sir, first of all, can I ask your good name, please?
नाम तो भगवान को ही पता है. नाम मेरा रामदास भन्ने, राम भण्डारी छेत्री. As an engineer from Nepal. So
basically from Nepal.
Nepal, Kathmandu.
Okay.
I was a professor, associate professor in university. As an engineer, I taught over there 42 years and 6 months, and now retired.
Sir, as you told us that you are engineer and you got retired from your government.
Yes.
And after completing your life in government servant, how would you say like that all the people are coming here in this crowd? Is this true or wrong, or what is this? It is spectacular.
No, actually, one thing everyone need to be spiritual, without which the whole world will be in disturbing, and then violence will be there, and then some sort of happiness or some sort of healthy environment won't be there, because of the property, because of the millions and trillions of dollars doesn't give satisfaction and doesn't give happiness. But only the inner peace of your heart, if satisfied having a piece of bread or with a family, without any disturbance, without any violence, without any bitter experience, that is the happiness.
Yes,
that comes only from the God.
Yeah. I saw from here that nobody is, spreading any violence right now, and they are just doing all the systematic things. But could you tell me that what are the main miracle has been happened in your life?
No, this is one thing I would like to tell you exactly, practically. You and me, I have never seen you before, and you have never seen me before. All these people, they have never seen me before. Because of the God grace, we are meeting right now. And then, don't you think that though we are meeting within a couple of seconds or a couple of minutes before, but we are trying ourselves to explore the quality, the potentiality the God has given. And that's why reaching to heart everyone and just maintaining the discipline, without which the whole world showing the weapons, showing the military power, showing the wealth cannot be controlled. Only every human beings need to control by themselves, by having God grace, which is Rampalji giving with the in the name of Lord Kabir. And then उनको माने तो सही हिसाब से he is really the God, and that's why every people are believing, without which there won't be any sort of output for this whole world, which is just suffering from the different kind of violations, and then rapes, and then so many corruptions. And then you are having your media as open, and media can communicate to each and everyone, not only this whole area but also the whole world, and your media can convert into the reality. You have found the reality, that is God is here, and then as a human beings, because somebody says many rituals people, Shankaracharya and so many others, they are having their own followers, but they are having their own some sort of selfish motto, running for their own property, owning as their own property, but they don't know how to live a life as a human being. What is the first and foremost duty to complete as a human beings?
So you are saying like that Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj doesn't have their own personal advantages?
No, not at all. If he is having some so and so, then he will be collecting all the money while having so and so. No, he is just helping to all those human beings, as Lord Kabir says. Okay. And then to take from this hell to the Satlok, as we are the son of God, and then we forget that this will be enjoyment, just having so and so bungalows, so and so vehicles, so and so enjoyment, only for eyes, only for ears, only for taste of tongue, and but the inner peace, that is different thing, where we won't be dying, we won't be having any sort of disease, we won't be having old age, but that is in Satlok only.
Sir, what the main motto or the aims want to spread to the nation or to the international platform to the people? Well,
first of all, to make understand to everyone what is the first and foremost duty as a human being towards the whole nation and the whole world, as a individual basis, as a family, as a person, not to suicide, not to hurt and pinch anyone, not only human beings but also the animals, as a whole earth, the beauty of the nature that need to be maintained. Only if you do understand with the spiritual meanings, then only you can do so. Otherwise you will be greedy. Greedy desire never fulfill. Needy desire always fulfill. That's why Rampal ji is saying all the time, भगवान जब देता है ना, सब प्रकार की देता है, जितना ही उतना ही देता है जो आप और आपके आसपास जो आते हैं उसको सफिशिएंट खिलाने के लिए, देने के लिए.
Sir, as we know that right now the coronavirus is being spreading all over the world by infectious people. So could you suggest us whether this Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj also can overcome this situation by the spiritual knowledge or not?
Yes, of course. God, by any means, to make aware of the people, not to have the killing and eating all the insects and other, like Chinese people, they did so many things except plane and vehicles. Rest of other things they are just killing and eating. That's why first of all China got the coronavirus, and now they are very much aware about not to have any sort of this kind of situation by which they were suffering, and most people they will be vegetarian now then onward in China even. That's why God has given a kind of chance to understand by having this situation. Here you can see anybody having mask.
No.
Now see, the God is blessing, God is taking care of. Don't you believe that Rampal ji will taking care of? जय बंदी छोड़ की मन की डर भगाओ, सबको जियो और जीने दो स्माइलिंग के साथ. आप हंसने चाहते हो, you like to have a smile, then you need to see others smiling first, then only. If you are smiling, others are being, no, there won't be any peace and there won't be smiling, sir.
Sir, actually I heard many people were saying that cancer, which is the very dangerous disease in the world, they had been overcome from this disease. So that is why I raised this question that whether coronavirus also been abolished or cured from by this spiritual knowledge or not.
First of all, every human beings are suffering from mental disease, and rest of physical body's disease is a secondary thing. You know, mentally, if you are disturbing, you are eating something, but God is so scientific and God has such a huge machines in your body, every human being's body. It will go making a blood, it will go making some sort of many more things which is very needy to human beings to make alive. That's why not to have any sort of disease, to have a very self-defense power, God is there to help you. You know, if you are thinking of, oh, this is good, your taste will be good. If you are, this is healthy, yes, that will be healthy. But it is so terrible or horrible, and it will disturbing your body. It doesn't go properly. You don't digest it. That's why your mind need to be always fresh. God helping us to make our soul, inner soul, not this physical body. चमड़ी का भाव बोलते हैं ना, इसको सिर्फ साफ सुथरा करने से अंदर की जो आत्मा है ना, उसको प्यूरिफाई करने के लिए हम लोग हर हमेशा भगवान का मंत्र जप करते हैं और काउंटिंग करते हैं. अदरवाइज we are all having enemies in our body, eyes, nose, and then hearing and eating, everything is जो है ना, touching, that is all enemies. Just for a moment, Anand. That's not the real Anand. That's not the Anand. Main thing to understand you, to understand everybody. See here, everybody is, sir, please, sir, take it. Everything, sharing each other, caring each other. That's why the God feeling is. That's why the God blessing all the time.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for giving us your previous time.
You also give so to me. My birth is being successful because of Lord Rampal ji and the Sadguru. Otherwise, I am very much grateful that I will be continuing till my last breath, and I will be trying to convince and explore the quality and potency of the God. Everyone need to have this, and you also not only showing the mag to others, collecting the ideas, but also following the rules of God. Okay?
Okay, definitely.